I'm Young, and today, guess what I'm gonna give you tips about? The Galaxy Buds. So I actually want to share with you some of the tips that you guys might know and some of the tips that you guys haven't come across in Maximize using Galaxy Buds. The best thing about these two combos is because Samsung Galaxy 10 and Galaxy 10s can do wireless power share. So I'll turn that on. So if I put it right at the bang in the center, it has to be in the center, which is can be a little bit tricky. The phone will automatically switch off the wire share if there's no connected device on it. And of course, to control the sound, you go straight into the wearable app, which you can click down here. And wearable app, it goes back in. And in terms of equalizer, I actually tried out using different sound. And for me, dynamic is most like energetic, even more so than bass boost. Go into the touchpad, and it actually shows you what function there are. Touch and hold. You can actually make it in user's choice. So here, left, it's written as Bixby, but I don't think I care that much about Bixby. Do you know why I say that? Let me play this song, NCS Turbo, turn it up. At 1 minute of this song, it's very noisy. But let me say, hi Bixby. What time is it right now? You don't need Bixby. So what I've been using a lot in my previous iQOO X 2018 was of course volume up and volume down. If I change to volume up, then even left one will change automatically into volume down. Because I actually want ambient sound on, then there will be Bixby on the other side. I'll actually just keep it to the volume. If you want to hear what's going on in surrounding, then you can go into ambient sound and have it on. Now I can hear myself much better. It's a lot more natural if you have ambient sound volume right down. Then it's actually quite natural sound. If you want to even voice focus, make voices stand out more clearly. This is like a spy game. So now let's do a bit of a spy game. Find my earbuds function. So don't have it while you actually have the buds on your ears because it's gonna beep. Let's start finding. Where are you? Also, I found the buds. Just to show you again. Gets noisy. And then when you already grab it, then it will actually already stop making noise. This part actually comes in different sizes. So it easily actually just comes off like this, which means you can actually clean it or change into bigger silicone. Even these silicones are in different sizes. So you guys can just put in whatever size fits your ear. So now I have Galaxy Buds, which is matching with my mobile phone. And don't forget to subscribe here, I don't know, somewhere. And do like this video. See you!